Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. So, we are on for another live trading session. This one is gonna be it's earlier than usual, like a couple minutes earlier than usual, because I need to go drop my car at the garage pretty early this morning. So yeah, we might have to close this pretty early. So make sure to take some notes, because I'm gonna give you exactly what I'm looking for and what we've been looking for the past couple of days. So, first thing first, as you come in, make sure to smash that like button. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notification because I go live pretty randomly, but obviously every Tuesday morning now. So we are back. And yeah, so and don't forget to smash that like button as you come in. That's really important because we are, like I said, we are back at it, and to get the algorithm helping us again, I need you guys to smash that like button. Okay, so let's see if we have any comments. As you come in, come on and say hi. Tell me where you're from. Oh, Paul, hey, welcome back. Good morning, Sasha. Great to have your stream back regularly. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Yes, I was pretty much on and off at one point, so that's why the algorithm is not on my side anymore. But I'm trying to be more regular now these days, and I just don't like to have like schedule like you have to be on like at 7:30 ish or so I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be live around 7:30, but not at 7:30. And only streaming Tuesday morning now. Plus I'm gonna do Forex Talk on the beer every Thursday night. So Hugo, what's up? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Okay, so let's jump into it. Hopefully, we didn't miss any entry during the night. It looks like first, let's go see GJ. Let's start with GJ. First thing first. So this was a quick scalp again. Just gonna recap that very quickly, but this was a quick scalp again on the H4 dogtail setup, 1-to-1, 15 pips, and yeah, with a fixed 15 pip stop loss. So this was pretty easy setup, like the usual. You guys know. Oh, Lee. So look, oh wow, okay. When did that happen? During the night? Okay. I had placed an alert, so that alert triggered. I had my cell phone, but obviously I was sleeping, so it wasn't do not disturb. But I actually saw it this morning that the alarm was triggered. I just didn't see like where exactly it went. Just like, ooh. So I actually wrote that note here. Actually 2 days ago or yesterday? No, or no, we're Tuesday. So yesterday. Yeah. So, anyways, let's go see the weekly. So if you look at the weekly time frame here, the weekly is definitely bullish. We didn't broke this high though, so we'll see. Since we had this bearish candle, I was like, oh, we might be coming down. We explained that last week. We might be coming down up to here, down to here, I should say. But the other option was to retest the daily structure, which where we're gonna be, where we're gonna go see right after. But we did reject this major QP right here. Okay, so let's go check on the daily what we got. So the daily is bullish, and I know there's a lot of people who's gonna be confused here and said, "Oh my gosh, the daily is bearish, Sasha. What are you guys talking about?" So no, because I mean the low is right here and your new high is right here. So anything in between is just market structure. Okay. So we are bullish still. We did reject market structure. Not market structure. What am I saying? We did reject this major QP here at 169, which is a pretty solid area, which is also an area of interest. If you look here, support, resistance, 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 support, pretty strong area. So if we do reject here, it makes sense, and if you look on the 4 hour time frame, let's go take a look here. We have something with our friend Fibs here. We reject right here the 50, which is the golden zone. We reject the 382. Okay, great. Which is also a retest of previous H4 structure that was broken and retested right here. All right. So you see here, boom, boom. Okay, so let's go check on the lower time frame, 2 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so now we're talking about swing, by the way, guys. Hopefully you guys got that. Uh, so price went bearish here on 4 hours. Now we need to break above here to be bullish again. So, all right, so I didn't miss anything. It was clearly on a high low potential, but the 4 hour, hold on, wait a second. The 4 hour is bullish. Yeah. 4 hour is bullish. 1 hour went bearish to do that pullback. So now we need the 1 hour or the 30 minute to go back bullish. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, okay, perfect. So basically I'm gonna place an alert here, saying that if we do close above here, let's go take a look on the 1 hour. Let's put this bigger so it's easier. So if we do break above here, we're gonna say H1 going bullish. Perfect. So I can remove this. Like it can be a good entry here, but the problem is, the 30 minute at this stage is bearish, right? So it can be a more aggressive entry because you're at the area, you got your engulfing candle. Yes, it can be more aggressive, but couple of times that I did that, it actually turns out to be against me. So now, anyways, I was not awake, but I'll give you an example in GA right after. Okay, so that's good. So now let's talk about scalp. Okay, so let's talk about scalp here. So okay, so the daily is bullish. We add this pullback on the daily. We created a top wick. So look like we're ready to push up again. So now let's go take a look at a 4 hour. 4 hour is having this retracement, like we said. Perfect, excellent. Yeah, scalp wise, it would be a good idea here, so now we need to wait for the pullback. So yeah, it will be the same entry as my scalp actually right now. So what I want is I want to see price going up here, have a little pullback to go up, or just a retest of this area, one or the other. So yeah, so that's something we'll be waiting for GJ. Any question for GJ? Let's take a look at GA. Oh, fuck me, man. Really? Yo, I got stopped out by what? Fuck. That's stupid. Fucking stupid. This is painful. Oh well, it is what it is. So look like my stop was. This is twice, like in not so long, that this happened to me. Gets up by like what? Fucking 6 pips. Oh well. My allergy is kicking strong, guys. Woo. Okay, so now let's talk about this one. Okay. Well, this one is a good example. Like I said earlier, I went a little too fast in that trade, and you'll see what happened. Okay, so if you look at the weekly is bullish. We came down here, retesting previous weekly structure. The daily was bullish. Okay, so that's perfect. Day's bullish. Came down, retesting previous structure also, which is uh, which is a nice daily area of interest also. If you look here, this is also was it the 86,400? No, okay. Okay, so the daily was bullish, so we established that. That's good. Now, if you look at the 4 hour, okay, so 4 hour went 4 hour was bearish at one point right here. Okay, so 4 hour went bearish, as you can see. Bearish. We're still bearish, still bearish at this stage, still bearish, and we finally close above here. Okay, so I was like, all right, cool. So let's wait for the pullback, buy from a high low potential on the 4 hour to go back up. Okay, so the idea was really good. The plan was perfect actually. Now, if you look on the 2 hour, let's say 1 hour. Okay, so the 1 hour, if you look here, oops. So 1 hour was bullish, obviously. And boom, went bearish, bearish, and went bullish. Okay. So I actually waited for the pullback here to go back up. Okay. My problem was I didn't have an engulfing candle here. But when I went on the 30-minute time frame, okay, so price on the 30-minute, I did enter the 30-minute, but the 30-minute wasn't bullish at this stage. Okay, so if you look, price was bearish, right? And we finally, actually, yeah, with this elbow, it was bullish actually. Yeah, it was bullish, and boom. Okay, but again, the problem is the same though. I didn't enter on a bullish engulfing. So technically, if I would have respected my rules, I would wait for my engulfing candle. And what happened if I wait for my engulfing candle? We create a higher high, and now we're going back bearish. Okay, so I wouldn't have entered at that stage. I would have waited for price to go back up, break structure once again, which is right here, right? And I would have entered probably on this, which would have been forcing me to have a bigger stop, because to put my stop under the next structure to be bearish will be like almost like how many pips is that? That's a pretty big stop. How many pips is that? It doesn't say. That's weird. What? Am I doing something wrong here? What the fuck's going on? First time it does that. Okay, let's say the ruler. What? Let's say the ruler. So that is 27 pips. It's not actually that bad for a swing. So, anyways, so yeah, so that would have been my the setup. Actually, no, what am I talking about? It would be right here. Yeah, it's a pretty big stuff here. Whoa, yeah, that does make sense. I would have not entered basically. So yeah, so you see, this is the example. Or on H1, H1 you got the break, finally came bullish, and we got a pullback, but no engulfing candle. Boom, 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 no engulfing candle. So it doesn't make sense. So I wouldn't not be in that trade if I would have respected all my rules. But I was a little bit more aggressive on that one because I don't know, I had a good feeling, and yeah. Whoops, did I remove everything here? I still need to journal these things. There we go. Perfect. Okay, let me just remove that one here. Perfect. Okay, excellent. So yeah, so basically got stopped out on that one, so lost 1% on that one, which is it's all good, since I do more swing now, it's just like the R are more there. It's either 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Like last week, think did close to 12% on one trade. So at 2% on 6% trade up, not 6% exactly, but 5 point something. So yeah, so it doesn't really matter. So any question about that one? And good morning, everyone. Don't forget to smash that like button as you come in. Don't forget. So let's take a look at GU now. So what we got for GU? GU. Let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly is bullish. We came down here. We retest previous structure that was broken on the weekly. This is perfect. The daily is bullish. Actually, no. Whoa, wait a second. Ooh, I didn't realize that. But Friday did close under the support. So now daily is bearish. Whoa, this is a no go here. Let's delete this. So I'm gonna write a note. Daily needs to go back bullish. So since this isn't ready, so we're gonna remove that and we're gonna put it down here. All right, so let's move on to NZD. You see, when my weekly and my daily are not in sync, I'm just like next. I don't want to waste time on that. Take a look at the weekly here. So the weekly is bullish. All right, weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. This is great. We had a nice engulfing candle here. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is good. It's actually good. 4 hour. So 4 hour, and I said waiting for H4 to go bullish again, and that happened yesterday. Yesterday 9 a.m. we did close bullish, so now we should change that note for waiting for H4 high low potential. Here we go. So let's take a look here. We'll reject 382. Okay, great. Let's go take a look on 2 hour. So we got weekly, daily, 4 hour bullish. This is perfect. Okay. So now the 2 hour is bullish. 1 hour is 1 hour is bullish. So that's good. So 1 hour is bullish. Excellent. I think we missed that entry right here. Yeah, 30 minutes is bullish also. Just so I can keep track on this, I'm just going to do this here. And I just want to see if this plays out. I'm going to write a note here, paper trade. As everything else is good, according to my rules, but this looked like we might have like the infamous shampoo pattern. So gotta be careful with this. So we might be doing something like this, right? So I don't know. We'll see. But right now, nothing. 4 hour look like. Hopefully we didn't miss the entry. Hopefully we continue to come down a little lower to have a full retest here and have a second chance to entry. Because right now, yeah, it looked like the entry was right here. But what time was that? It was at 3 a.m. So I cannot take that. But we'll see. That's too bad because this was really close to happen. So that's why it was in green also yesterday because I knew it was like close to happen. But yeah, let's go see if we have any comment or questions. You go. How small is the smallest leg you will count? Smallest leg? I'm not sure what you mean. I don't know if you're talking about the elbow. So maybe if you can rephrase that, I'm not sure. You go. Um, All right, so now if you look at the weekly here on Euro GBP, we are bearish. I was actually waiting for the retest here. It looked like it's not happening. The full retest anyways. We are still bearish on the daily. We created a lower low. Okay, so now H4. I was actually waiting for H4 to flip bearish here, and it did. It did at 9 a.m. this yesterday morning. So we finally did close bearish. So now you gotta wait for the wait for H4 lower high potential, which we probably have right now. So let's go take a look. Right, that's good. Wow, look at this wick, man. Okay, so we're good. So we got weekly, daily, H4 bearish. 1 hour, okay, 30 minute. Oh, look like the entry was right here. God damn. Again at 3 a.m. Fuck, that sucks. So another one that I kind of missed the entry. And again, I'm just gonna track it like this to see if it was the good entry or not. And again, I'm gonna write paper trade because I don't want guys to be confused thinking I took that trade. I'm not cheating. Um, So I just want to track it. I just want to track it and see how it goes. If we have a chance here for a pullback, probably going to take it. Or let's say again, let's say that this candle flips and comes back up here to have a full retest of this support that was broken. That will be even perfect. That will be a deeper pullback. So if you look on the fib level, it would be great to have like inside the golden zone, just a little higher. That would be perfect. But the retest was there, the retest was there. So yeah, this was perfect again. Damn. Okay. So let's go check CAD GPY. Let's go see if you go write something. Okay. I mean the size of the pullback in the lower high or higher low. There's no size, there's no size. I usually use my fib to give me an idea if it was a decent pullback. Um, yeah, it's pretty much that. There's no specific size. I mostly like give me an idea with the fib. But sometimes it's not a big pullback because it's a retest, which is also valid. Um, okay, so if you look here, I was waiting for the same thing here. So if you look, weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. Okay, daily is bullish. Yes, we had a rejection here from the golden zone. This is amazing. H4 just flipped bullish by breaking this here. And now I mark this alert to have a pullback here, around this area. So if you look with your fib, I know the 382s around here. I got my golden zone, so anything around here will be pretty good for me. So that's why I'm going to be waiting for this to enter buy. So I think CAD GPY is getting ready here. So CAD GPY probably going to be ready today. And after that, I'm going to wait for the market switch because the 30-minute will go bearish. The 30 and the 1 hour will go bearish to have that pullback, you know. Like right now, 30-minute is bearish. So what I want is I want to continue bearish like this. And when are we going to do this, whatever, and something like this. I'm going to be, hold on. I did that way too quick. Let's delete this. I want you guys to understand. So I want price to continue down like this, lower low, lower low here, boom, boom. And if we break this, I know we're going bullish. So I'm going to wait for the retest and to go up, So pretty basic. Let's go take a look at Euro GPY. What time is it? 7:33. Ooh, rushing guys because I got an appointment at the garage, so I might have to leave early. I'm rushing to give you the most as I can. So the weekly is bearish here on Euro GPY. Sorry, what am I talking about? Bullish on Euro GPY. Um, so if you look here, all right. So the golden zone would be around the 145 major QP. Let's see here. We got the retest here of the weekly previous, not previous structure, but yeah, previous and the past, as I can say, structure here. We got the retest. Daily is we're still bullish. Perfect. So boom, boom, boom. Okay, we got the pullback. So now let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish since we broke here. So now waiting for high low potential. Okay. So basically that's what I'm waiting for. So let's move on this. Uh, Euro GBP, I'm going to move it down because it pretty much happened. USD GPY. They all in the same place. The GPY pair mostly waiting for the H4 high low potential. So same drill here. So weekly, you see, this is basic. This is the same thing over and over and over again. I know it gets boring at one point, but this is the only thing now I'm looking. So weekly is bullish. Okay, so yeah, so weekly is bullish since we broke that elbow here, so we became bullish. Boom, here, here, here. We respected the high, so we didn't create a new high, but still bullish. We got a pullback, retesting major QP right here. Let's go take a look on the daily. Daily is bullish also. Boom, boom, boom. We have a double bottom-ish here. So yeah, waiting to see if we can retest um, this neckline maybe. And H4 now is finally bullish, now waiting for high low potential. So again, so I'm going to move this up here. So this is about to happen. So if you look at the fib here, boom. Yeah, so that's pretty good. 382, golden zone right here. So looks good. So stand by on that one. I think we did Euro GPY, NZD USD. We just did Euro GPY. NZD USD. Okay, so weekly is bullish. Awesome. We got a pullback. Daily is bullish. We got a pullback. We reject this. The orange line is my safety net on the fib, so we respected the safety net. And right now we are inside that golden zone. And as you can see, I got a note here waiting for H4 to go bullish. Okay. Right now, for H4 to go bullish would be to break here. But there's gonna be some, hopefully, if we do this and we create a high low here, something like that, we can wait for price to go up here, break this to go up. So this is not close to be ready. So I'm gonna move it down here, but it is what it is. Euro AUD, very quick. Weekly is bullish. We got a pullback, retest of previous weekly structure, which is perfect. Daily is bullish also. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on, wait a second. No, daily is bearish now. Needs to go bullish again. So you see, this is not close to be ready. EDCHF, weekly area of interest retest done. Now we'll have to wait for the daily to go back bearish again. Okay, yes, because the weekly is bearish, waiting for daily to go bearish, and which is where I got this alert here. Makes sense? Okay. And I don't think there's any other potential. Daily needs to go back bullish. You see, I mean, just this is not close to happen. NZD CAD, NZD CAD weekly is still bullish. So NZD CAD is still bullish, as you can see. Anything in between those red line are just market structure. And as I explained last week, we can expect price to continue like this down to here, and have a rejection from there. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm actually going to place an alert here saying, boom, weekly inside GZ. Daily, yeah, daily is whatever. Daily is bearish now. So yeah, I mean, NZD CAD, nothing for now. Nothing. This is a trade I got in like last week, I think. USD CAD, nothing. Euro NZD. We are inside the weekly golden zone, which is good. We need to wait for the daily to go bullish again. So not close to be ready, as you can see. Let's take a look at gold for a quick scalp. We got the daily here. We got the pullback here. Okay, let's go take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I don't like it. I personally don't like it. I don't like it. Let's see, do we have a weekly candle that actually did close above 2000? Yo. The big question will be like, are we going to get a monthly candle closing above 2000? Because that never happened so far. In the history of gold, we never had a monthly candle that did close above 2000. Like, look at this. This is gold over time. Like, if we scroll down, this is the beginning of gold, 1834. And we never had a weekly candle closing above 2000. So 2000 is right here. So I don't know. Like I explained like 2 weeks ago, in this area, big chance of rejection. So anyone swing trading this at this stage, I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Okay, let's go check GG for a quick, maybe quick scalp idea. I think I got a comment here, a question. Hold on, wait a second. Real flex. Selling gold 2003.68. Yeah, it doesn't tell me like why. What were you looking for? What's the what's the exit? What's the plan? Is it a scalp? Is it a swing? But yeah, I mean, like again, buying, selling at any point on any pair can work or not. Just gotta know like, do you have anything in place to put the odds on my side? So that's the main thing. And what are you looking for, especially? Most of the time, it will help the community when you send a chart because people can learn from it. So that'll be great. So if you have a chart, that'll be great if you can send it. We can take a look at it. Yeah. Anyways, where was I? ADHD kicked in. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's go back to GJ here. Very quickly because oh shit, I need to go. Let's go do GJ very quick. Okay, very very quick. Daily. Okay, cool. Like we said, we talked about the swing trade approach. And yeah, we said that the entry on the GJ will be the same for scalp as my swing, basically, because yeah, at this stage I need the pullback, right? I just don't want to buy here. The other thing I'm going to be looking at is the H4 dovetail setup once again. This has been working pretty well for the past couple of days, and always been working pretty well, anyways. But look like we might go deeper and fill that part of that wick here before coming back up. So which is great. It's going to give us an opportunity. And probably same thing with NZDGPY. So that'll be great. So this is a paper trade to see if I would have been taking the entry during the night, would have been working. So yeah, just looking at this. But hold on, this doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, because we're still bullish. Sorry guys. At one point, I had my brain froze. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a paper trade, guys. This is just to follow up on this and see if this would have been working. But it looked like we might have a good chance to enter here. So if we continue down, kind of this week, I have a full retest of this resistance. That'll be great. That'll be great. I'll be waiting for a market switch on the lower time frame and take that to a buy. So yes, this one was very, very, very quick, guys. But I'm gonna be on every Tuesday morning around like 7:30 ish. So make sure you activate the notification. Like this morning, I went on at 7:10, I think, because I have an appointment at the garage like in fucking 10 minutes. I gotta run. So thank you so much for being here, guys. Very appreciate it. I'll be on Thursday night. And Thursday night, guys, take notes. Thursday night, we got a special guest. We got Stefanos, one of the OG. It's going to be live on Forex Talk over beer with me. We're going to enjoy a nice drink together. We're going to do a little interview, break down some charts, see his approach, my approach all together. So that's going to be great. So make sure to tune in and don't miss this week. Forex Talk over beer is going to be a blast. I'm actually going to do a draw for the next couple weeks. Everybody that is on the stream, I'm going to take your names, and we're going to draw this. So later on, I'm going to go on and see every comment. So you need to comment to have a chance to comment a fire emoji, comment anything you want. But to have a chance to win the magic key, just enter a comment there. And in the next couple weeks, I'm going to grab every name and we're going to do a draw. So I'm going to do a draw, I think, at the end of the month. Yeah. So I'm going to give this magic key away. All right, guys. So take care. Have a great day. Again, it was a blast being with you. I really appreciate it. See you on Thursday night at Forex Talk Over Beer. Take care, guys.